out from the channels appears a woman in a frozen mask and an ice pack on her belly. Hi everybody, Kimberly Christine here, just sharing with you my Ashley Black gel pack set that I got with my Platinum kit. This is the first time I'm getting to use the ice packs here, the gel packs, after doing a fascia blasting session. I focused on my face today and my belly and my back, and these are really nice to help with the bruising a lot of people get after they blast. It's going to help with the inflammation and the recovery process after doing that intense blasting session that we all do. Anyway, you can see this lovely pack. It's got straps to keep it on my head. And I'm in a 0G chair, if you're wondering why it looks so awkward. I'm also going to be getting ready to do my meditation through Sync Tuition. And I know it's weird, you can't see my lips moving because they get buried. It keeps falling down. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, yes, my Sync Tuition app. So it's my 25-minute meditation that I am going to do in addition to all this beautifying stuff, getting my mind and my body ready for, I don't know, September. Anyway, this is my after birthday session that I'm getting to treat myself in, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And sending from my sexy self here. Enjoy your August. Bye.